Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing good. In my today's video, I will show you how you can fix the camera problem in your device Oppo Find X Pro and Find N. So in these devices, if you are having any problem related to the camera, like your camera is not working or the camera app is not working, you can easily fix it by following the few steps. So before we move to the video, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the camera problem in your device. Let's watch the video.